In this video, we will learn about subtropical desert climate. It is denoted by capital letter B, then capital letter W and small letter h. Capital letter B denotes the entire group, which is the dry climate. And capital letter W stands for desert. And then small letter h denotes subtropical desert. And subtropical region is between 25 to 40 degrees north and south of the equator. Now this subtropical region is also called as transition zone between humid and dry climates, because at the north of the subtropical region, temperate zone starts and the temperature is cold in temperate zone, and cold temperature leads to dry climate because moisture is low in cold temperature. Similarly, to the south of the subtropical region, tropical region exists, and tropical region receives sunlight all throughout the year. Wherever there is heat energy, that makes the environment warm, and warm environment has good amount of moisture content in the air. So this is how subtropical region is also called as transition zone between humid and dry climates. Now that we know where the subtropical region is, you simply have to find the deserts that exist in this region. So here's the map that shows all the deserts of the world that exist in subtropical region. You can pause the video and have a look at it. I'll also put this map on the Instagram channel. Type geography simple on Instagram and you'll find this map. Alright, let's get to know the characteristics of subtropical desert. One thing that you need to know is that at subtropical desert, rainfall is extremely low. Now rain comes in short intense form. Now I'm not saying that rainfall is extremely zero. Rain does come in short intense form. And because of the short duration of rain, the soil in deserts lack in moisture. Now, one of the reasons why it rains less at subtropical region is because of subtropical high. The subtropical region has high pressure belt, especially at the ocean surface, because at the subtropical region, the air sinks. When air sinks, cloud formation is absolutely less, and that's what leads to low rainfall. If you want to know more about subtropical high, subpolar low, and the entire atmospheric circulation, then I have a separate video on it. I'll put the link in the description. Have a look at it. You'll understand about everything that I'm talking about. So it is because of the subtropical high pressure belt, the skies are usually clear. That's why there is very low rainfall. Now I want you to again look at this map. If you notice, most of the deserts in subtropical region are also nearer to the coastal region. That means the maximum amount of dryness in these deserts are found in the interior of the continents. But then the regions that are closer to the water surface, there some moisture bearing winds blow towards the land surface and brings moderate rainfall. And here the annual precipitation or rainfall is mostly around 0 to 25 centimeter. And if you look at the temperature during daytime, it goes up to and sometimes 40 degrees Celsius. And during nighttime, it drops tremendously. And here the logic is very simple. Landmass heats up faster than water surface because landmass is opaque. But it also loses heat much faster than the water because water is a slow conductor of heat. Another important aspect that you must remember is that you will find a lot of fog at the coastal deserts. I'm talking about these outer regions of the continent that touches the water surface. So moments back I told you that the subtropical region has high pressure belt, which are specifically on the water surface. And high pressure exists where there is low temperature. That means the water surface has cold currents. So this cold currents, when they hit the coastal desert, it generates fog. And this fog contains moisture that brings somewhat rainfall. Hence, we can also say that the outer region of the subtropical desert is a semi-arid region or subtropical steppe. So if at all you get a question about fog desert, immediately think of the desert regions which are closer to the water surface. If you want some example of fog deserts, they are Atacama Desert on the Pacific shores of Chile and Peru. And then there is Baja California Desert of Mexico. Then there is Namib Desert in Namibia. And then there is Arabian Peninsula Coastal Fog Desert. So this was all about the subtropical desert climate.